Power family.
What's up, Power family? How you guys doing? Hey, what's up, everybody else? How you guys doing? This is the Power 99 FM here, and today I'm going to be doing the room tour for 2020, and it's going to be sweet. So, let's get started, shall we? Sit back, relax, and enjoy today's video with the Power 99 FM. Ready, guys? Here we go. Nope, no room tour. I'm still not done yet. Everything is still a mess. Still a mess. It's still a mess. Who thought that there was gonna be a room tour today? Comment down below. Who thought that there was gonna be a room tour? Comment down below, because I'd like to know if I fooled anyone. So as you can see, it's all still a mess. Everything is all over the place, but it's gotten a lot better than the last video that you saw. This computer desk is a lot better now than what you saw previously in the other video. This computer desk is a lot better now, as you can see. Got the subwoofer down there, I got the macro up there, I got the monitors all situated, and I got the keyboard and the mouses up there, and I got two speaker stands right there. Because my friend made me two speaker stands so I could put one like right here or something, and then one like right here or something. I'll figure it out. So because I can't put the bass speakers anywhere on the wall. I could put one right there, and maybe I could put one right there, but nah, I'd rather just do that instead. I was thinking about having the bass speakers, one right there pointed down, and the other one right there pointed down, so I can have like these three speakers, like that one and this one and that one. You can't see that. Well, yeah, you can see it now. The speaker right there, and then the bass speaker right there, and the bass speaker right there pointed down, you know. But then having all that in the front would kind of defeat the purpose of having a 5.1 surround sound system, because it's not good to have all 5 speakers like that in the front. If I was going to have that, I would have just had the 2.1 sound system, 2 speakers and subwoofer, you know. Because if you have all the speakers in the front, you won't be able to get the full surround sound, because you will have all the sound coming at you in the front, you know. You won't have like surround sound like this, surround sound. You know, where it surrounds you. You just have all the speakers in the front, and I didn't want that. So, you see, so that's what I did. Like with this, I had the 3 speakers up there, and then I had the bass speaker right there on the side, and I had that bass speaker right there on the side. So when I sit here, I can have the surround sound coming at me. So I won't have all the speakers coming at me in the front. It wouldn't be surround. It would defeat the purpose. So that's why my friend made me some speaker stands. So that's really nice. Thank you so much. I got rid of the 2 computer chairs. I don't have that one anymore. That was broken. I got rid of that, and the other one was too small. So I got rid of that too. So I'm gonna have to sort through all this mess, sort through all that mess, sort through all this mess, sort through all that mess, sort through all this mess, and then hook this stuff up, and then fix all that there, and then sort through all this mess, and then I'm not done yet. Then I still have to sort through all this mess right here. So I have to sort through all this mess, and then I have to sort through all this mess right here. The amiibos. I don't know what I'm gonna do about them. I haven't yet decided. I don't know. As far as the gaming shrine, it is officially gone. It is out of here. It is goodbye. I got rid of it. It's gone. I do have some boxes left at the gaming shrine. The boxes that were not empty, but I threw away all the boxes that were empty. I got rid of them all. I threw about 30 empty boxes away yesterday, so they're all gone. But I still have to sort through all this mess today. So that should be fun. Not really, but you know, it's getting there. It's getting there. Progress is being made, man. Progress is being made, guys. Progress is being made. Still not done yet, but it's gonna take a few more days, a few more weeks, and I'm gonna be done slowly but surely. That's looking good right now. I have to put some more boxes up there, the boxes that are not empty. Yeah, but the gaming shrine is gone because I couldn't have the red tub up there with the gaming accessories on the dresser anymore, because now I'm using the dresser as a computer desk. So I'm back. If you go back to my 2014 room tour, you will see this dresser being used as a computer desk over there back in 2014. Go to my Ultimate and Office room tour for 2014. You will see this dresser right here being used over there on my old 4-monitor setup back in 2014 as my computer desk. But now it's being used over here again about 5 years later on my new 3-monitor setup over here as my new computer desk. So that's a really nice change, you know. So yeah, go back to my 2014 room tour. You would see what I was rocking with back then 5 years ago. I had nothing back then as I have today. I had some stuff, but I have nothing compared to what I have today. So go back to my 2014 room tour. It had about 1,000 views or something. Go watch it. It's called my Ultimate Office Room Tour for 2014. I'll put a link in the description. I might do it on the end screen. Ow, I just stepped on a plug. Ow, that hurt. Ah, I might put it at the end screen if I can do it today or tomorrow. But go search for it. It's on my channel. You would see it. It's not gone. It's still there. As I just checked 5 minutes ago. Still there. So, yeah, I guess that's it for this video, guys. So I'll see you in the next video, and hopefully the next video will be a room tour. I will definitely hope that the next video will be a room tour. If not, you'll find out, but hopefully it will be. This is a lot of stuff to go through, man. It's just a lot of stuff to go through. It's just ridiculous. Okay, Power Family. I'll see you in the next one, guys. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to, as always, do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment to the one, the only, the Power 99 FM.
Wait, coming to the column name.fm.
Wow, she messed up on the Power 99 FM. She messed up on everything. You messed up on everything. Damn, that was a fail, Alexa. That was a fail. You messed up on everything. Wow. Wow, that was a fail. You failed. You want to know how I got these scars? My father was a drinker and a fiend. And one night, he goes all crazier than usual. Mommy gets the kitchen knife to defend herself. He doesn't like that, not one bit. So, me watching, he takes the knife to her, laughing while he doesn't. He turns to me and he says, "Why so serious?" He comes at me with the knife. "Why so serious?" He sets the blade in my mouth. Let's put a smile on that face. And why so serious?